Do you know the feeling that when you see injustice, you cannot walk past it and something in you is boiling and you have to act even if it comes at your own cost? Or maybe you recognize even something stranger in yourself when you have some quiet satisfaction when you are resigning from your privilege and live at a similar level with those who didn't have any, as if you are settling some karmic accounts. If it sounds familiar, maybe you have Saturn in the 9th house. Today we'll be talking about that position and from where all those is coming. 9th house is before the 10th house. So it is something which is just in front of that karmic lens. 10th house is about profession, but also all of your actions. So whatever is in the 9th house, it has to go through that house. It's like a filter you screw on the lens. Everything has to go through it, and depending what's there, this will color the career life. So then the filter works as a specialization, as a studies, or from the context of all actions of life is like your cheetah or consciousness or guidance, the meaning. So where your car is going. Now, because 9th house is showing our past, what the Saturn is doing there, is it not like a big reset? Because there are those inequalities which may come from karma, but we on our level of realization, we are not seeing all those reincarnation. In fact, we don't have that strong realization that we are not this body. So practically how we see the world, our real realization is that this is the life we have and we see those inequalities and from them stem this empathy, this effort to help those who don't have those privilege, those who are in weaker position. You cannot walk past indifferently when you see images of war, when you see images of slaughterhouse, you see that there is something wrong. So in the chart of Maxima Sorregeta, we will see Sun, 9th Lord, is with the Saturn in the 6th house. And exactly at 34, she started with the ONZ organization working for financial inclusion. So very strongly working for a situation where banks are being more directed onto those who don't have such privilege or which are in a more problematic financial position. So she is suddenly working for those in a weaker position. And we will see that Sun and Saturn are in that Yudha. There is this war in the 6th house where Sun is losing. And especially after 34, we'll see that Saturn qualities are coming into play. In the chart of work, also Sun in 12, so Marakatu 6th and 7th Lord. So therefore, she stopped working in Deutsche Bank, filial in New York. She is now activating, helping for others. Similar in Jose Mujica, the president, which was very famous for giving up his wealth. And we see similar situation of Saturn in the 9th house. We will also notice there are some yoga's distinction, and there must be some factor which is really making such things strong. So then you will be able to check it also in your chart if you have it. So sometimes people say, oh, if you are so advocate for those who are in need or who are in lower or more problematic position, why you are not giving up your resources? And often what is surprising, those people with this combination are doing that. They are somewhat resigning from their privilege and even some type of, we could call it karmic masochism, karmic asceticism, where the person is even feeling some joy when going from that elevator, is going a little bit down. Let's go down and walk on that level and then try to bring everything to a similar level. If you have it, people with those positions, even if they were born in very wealthy families, they are associating as a culture, as a taste. They will have a friends, they will somehow associate or advocate. They will feel good among people who were not born in that middle or high class. This is all coming from that Saturn entering elevator and is going down. He feels that we need to balance all those resources. So maybe there is some positive Rahu activity here because Ketu wants to go up. Rahu dwells in the mines, in the basement, in the corridors of empath here. Oh, there is this saying, I had to become a monster to fight other monsters. So there is this sattvic swamp. We have this Saturnian part of it, but will it be able to maintain that purity? Could we go into that spiritual dirt situation and be non-affected and rise all of those elements this Saturn is associating? What has to be there? Before we go there, I want to discuss two other points, how this energy can be delivered, or that song of Saturn, what strings can be there. We have a sun strings, so it is somewhat associated with sun. You would like to translate all of these efforts into something systemic. Recently, there was a big YouTube stream in Poland, which gets some, I think, highest money collected for fighting cancer situation. And of course, the left-leaning people were criticizing it. What is this? It is only a private people situation. It is not systemic, and so on. So they were again criticizing. But correctly, right? It should be a part of the system. It should be a part of something which is not a decision of a person, but it should be implied or ingrained in a system. This is the systemic part. And this often results in being involved in politics. So we will see that in Maxim's chart, we have the Sun and Saturn. And in the Jose Mujica, here we don't have it, right? In the president of Paraguay, there is Saturn is not related to the Sun. So what's going on? Unless we will see it in the Navamsha. They are, then this guitar is, we see those, yes, orange strings are there. Now with the pearly strings, your nadis, your channels in the body are pierced by the wind of empath. So you can be super sensitive. This may not be so visible at first because people, if you have it, maybe you know it, they may a little bit hide because they see that they are oversensitive. So through life, they created that compensating mechanism to a little bit push it back. And even it may look the other way. There will be this big empath. So we could say it is like empath yoga, right? Now we are going back to this question, how to distinguish that this is now something you rejected that privilege. This is your decision, right? Because there is a big difference if the situation, if you are in, is it your own thing, which you chose, then it's austerity, right? Like Brahmanas are rejecting the things, or is it something stripped away from your life? Then it's Daridra yoga. Situation will be similar, but your consciousness, is it something you chose? Let's say for artist or philosophical development, you wanted to reduce the distractions or something like that. We see here, what we will notice in all of these charts is that the Saturn is strong. In the chart of the president, we can see that the Saturn is an own sign, so it's having that Shiva energy very strong. In the chart of Maxim Surrogeta, we see that the Saturn is winning the war, right? In the winning the war, we have some resources are lost, some resources are gained. And we also can see that for people who are somewhat into the animal rights, like this person here, we can see there is also Saturn and Moon, so empath yoga and Saturn, because of that parivartana, is gaining that internal strength. Now, what's going in your life, in career, relationship, or health, in which period you are, and what remedies we could give you, you should be doing to block the negative winds of karma and stick with the proper path to get the best results, you can consider scheduling the consultation. You can find the link below in the description. So now you know, if you have it, the Saturn must be somehow strong. You can go the other way too. What is the price? Because a lot of blessings are coming, but in that box of nice sweets, there's not much more place. So something also can be sacrificed. And often, especially with that Saturn-Sun combination, we will notice that in these charts, the people had problems with the father. In the president of Paraguay, we had the father left very early. In the Maxime Sorregeta also, we see that the father was implicated in some political ambiguous wars, which then put a bad light on her marriage, and her parents couldn't be invited to the wedding because of that. This is also very nicely seen in her chart, how the 12 from the moon is, which is the family, new family, so the spouse, Rahu and Mars, blocking the Saturn. Who is Saturn? 12 Lord from the moon. The family, the parents of the native. So we can see how they are blocked. Okay, so if you have Saturn in the ninth, let me know if a similar song is played in your life. If you also came down with the elevator to the lower and you want to bring everything up. Is it also at the sacrifice of your own privilege? And did you have a situation where you had to fight for the others? That would be nice to read. And if you want to watch similar, you can meet me here.